English Spanish. How much does cost equals?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fast lane to real-world phrases. Before we dive in, grab a smile and your imaginary wallet. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for transcripts, drills, and more. Today your wallet has a voice and it's hilarious, it keeps yelling.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
At everything, even a cactus. Your goal today. You'll master one money-saving super phrase and use it anywhere. At the market you ask, how much does cost? In Spanish that's
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Before buying a ticket, you say
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Online, you click to see the price and think
¿Cuánto cuesta?
It's your price unlocking key. Tiny dialogue. Act it out with me, nice and easy. You, excuse me.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Clerk.
Cuesta 20 euros.
You, thank you. Now you, whisper it, then say it confidently.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Word toolbox. Grab these helper words to level up your shopping game.
Precio.
Equals price. Example. What's the
Precio.
question mark quote?
Dinero.
Equals money. You save
Dinero.
by asking first.
Barato.
Equals cheap. Is it?
Barato. Caro.
Equals expensive. Wow, that's
Caro. Costar.
equals to cost. The verb behind the magic.
Costar. ¿Cuánto?
Equals how much. Combine it with the verb.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm with me to lock it in. 4 beats. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Smile on the rising stress of cues, then let it fall. Ta. Tip. Practice in a mirror to nail the inverted question mark vibe. Start with a curious face, say.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
End with a friendly nod. Memory hacks and humor. Make it unforgettable with quick tricks. Gesture. Rub thumb and fingers, money sign, while saying.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Mnemonic. Cuánto equals how much, cuesta equals costs. Boom.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Rhyme. When money's a must, ask with trust.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Story snapshot. You spot a hat, the clerk smiles when you ask.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Senses. Smell fresh oranges, taste a churro, feel coins, then ask.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Comedy. Your talking wallet pleads.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Please be cheap. Magic trick. Precio, aparece.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
And the number appears. Culture tips. Sound natural wherever you shop. In Barcelona's Boqueria or Mexico City's markets, start with.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Friendly tone wins. You might also hear.
¿Cuánto vale?
Same idea, different flavor. If it's more than you want to pay, hum a bit.
Caro.
And smile. Always thank the vendor, politeness saves.
Dinero.
In the long run. Quick drills. Repeat fast, you've got this. You point at a bottle of water.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Point at a hat.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Point at a churro.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Fill the blank.
¿Cuánto barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja barra baja?
To cost equals.
Costar.
Closing parenthesis. Answer.
Cuesta.
Decide.
Barato.
Or.
Caro.
You react, then ask again.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Quiz time. Test yourself, no pressure, just fun. Multiple choice. Which Spanish phrase means, how much does cost? A.
¿Dónde está?
B.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
C.
¿Qué hora es?
Answer. B.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
True or false?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Asks about someone's age. Answer. False. Listening, you hear.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
It means, how much does cost? Speed round. Say it out loud 3 times.
¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Street challenge. Your turn, real world mode. Imagine a busy stall with bright price tags. You point to a souvenir and ask clearly.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
If the vendor says,
Cuesta 10.
you think, cheap equals,
Barato.
expensive equals.
Caro.
Smile, nod, and decide,
Dinero.
your choice. Thanks and next steps. Nice work today, you showed up and leveled up. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo, thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
With helpers like,
Precio. Dinero. Barato. Caro.
and the verb.
Costar.
Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more episodes, drills, and downloads. See you next time.